my loves, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'm gonna create 4 unique looking braided updos that you can do in minutes. So let's get started with our first one. First we want to select our top section and pin it away for later. Then you want to grab the rest and make a ponytail with it. You can leave some hair out if you like this look, and then you want to roll your ponytail and make a low updo like I'm showing. You want to pin it in place from this side like I'm showing. Now you want to release your top section, divide it into 3 and begin a super simple Dutch braid. So basically you cross side strands under the middle one. So you want to continue these steps over and over again. Then you want to pull it to make it voluminous and fuller looking. And you want to tie the ends with a clear elastic. Make sure again that your braid is full and voluminous. Tuck it in underneath the ends of your braid like I'm showing and pin it in place. Then you want to stretch your braid and pin it from the sides. Make sure so there is no scalp showing like I'm showing here. Make sure you brush it with your fingers and you're done. For the next hairstyle, again you want to select your crown section and pin it away for later. Grab the rest, making sure everything is nice and smooth. You want to tie it, creating a low ponytail. Now you want to make an opening like I'm showing through the ponytail and bring the ponytail through this opening. Now you want to tie the ends with a clear elastic and then you want to roll it and pin it, creating this kind of French twist bun. Now again you want to release your top section, divide it this time into 2 and begin a simple roll braid. So basically you twist each strand one way and then you twist these strands around each other opposite way. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to braid. Make sure to pull it just a bit and wrap this created braid around your bun. You want to Of course, you want to hide the ends inside of your created bun already and pin it in place from the sides so it will stay secure all day long. And you're done! Now for the next one, you want to select again your top section, tie it with a clear elastic, make an opening and flip your ponytail like I'm showing, creating a topsy tail. Pin it away for later and grab the rest and repeat the steps. Now you want to grab your first topsy tail and begin a simple 3-strand braid. When you reach your second ponytail, incorporate the rest of your hair into your braid. This way you will have this voluminous bun effect. Make sure to tie the ends with a clear elastic and pull a little bit your braid. Now you want to bring your braid up, bring it through the opening of the first topsy tail. So this way you'll hide the end. Make sure to pin your bun in place and hide the elastic, pinning in place the braid. And you're done. For the next and easiest braid, you want to make a side parting. Then you want to select a section of hair from the heavy side, divide it into two and twist it. Then you want to add more hair to the front section and you want to twist it. Of course guys, you can leave some hair out if you like this look, but you basically add hair to the front section and twist it with your second one. Add hair to your front section and you twist. So basically we have again a row braid. Our braid is reaching the back of our head. We want to incorporate all the hair and twist it same way and create a bun like I'm showing. Then you want to grab an elastic and tie your bun in place. Pull a little bit your bun and pin it from the side so it will be voluminous and beautiful. And you're done. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed these unique looking hairstyles. In my opinion, these are so easy to make. Tell me please in comments down below which of these hairstyles was your favorite. But that's it for today, and you know I love it so much, and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Bye!